Some exciting things happening today. The biggest is I got a package today from Samsung, a company based in Korea. I wonder if there's anything gonna happen in that country in the next couple days. I don't know, but let's open this up to see what they sent us. All right. And it's a phone. It's a Galaxy Note 8. Ooh, look at that. On the box here, it has the Olympic rings. This might be an Olympic edition of the Galaxy Note 8. Take a pour off the sleeve here. So here we go. There we go. It is definitely a Galaxy Note 8. Let's take a look here. Ooh, this looks so cool. It has a white back, and it says Samsung, and it has the Olympic rings, worldwide partner. That's pretty darn cool. That looks really cool. All right, being a Galaxy Note 8, I wonder if there's anything they did with the S Pen. Oh, cool. So it matches the back there. That's really neat. Here comes my favorite part of any unboxing, peeling the little plastic skins. Oh, that's so satisfying. Oh, we got one on the back here too. Oh, that is, oh, it's so nice. This looks so cool. All right, so let's try powering this on. Bum, bum, ba, bum, 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 ba, bum, 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 ba, gra, ba, bum. So on the lock screen, not only do we see the Olympic logo and Samsung logo, there's this really cool little like yellow sun thing that rises, kind of maybe reminiscent of the Olympic flame being igniting the cauldron for the first time. That's pretty cool. And as we get into the actual home screen here, the wallpaper has a black background and kind of these geometric shapes that are all in the Olympic colors. Also, what's really cool is all of the native Samsung apps have been color-coded in these Olympic colors that are all like green and blue and yellow, white and red. The recents and back button and home button are also color-coded in Olympic colors. And what's this? There is an Olympics app here. Let's open this up. I'm not sure if this is geared toward people attending the Olympics or the actual athletes, or probably both, but there's some cool things here. So right away I see a button that says medal table, so let's see what the status is. No one has won a medal yet. That's because the Olympics have not begun while filming this, so that's kind of accurate. And then it looks like there's some buttons, menus that take us to like the schedules and results. Let's take a look here, where that brings us to. So here we have like this February 19th, and these are the events going on. We got some curling. Everyone loves curling, right? Let's go back out. What else we have here? We have the athletes and teams. So maybe you don't know an athlete here. Let's try typing in an American athlete. Lindsey Vonn. Everyone loves Lindsey Vonn. So we learned her birthday. I'm sure she wants everyone to know that, her weight and height. But it looks like we can see all the events she's in. So we have ladies alpine skiing. It does not take me anywhere, but that's pretty cool there too. So that's the Olympic app, and I'm going to go back to the home screen here. And again, we got that. And now if I go to turn this off, watch what happens here. If I power off, just like my GoPro did, it have one last Olympic logo to make you remember this is indeed an Olympic Note 8. All right, it's pretty cool, guys. Go watch some Olympics and play with your Note 8.